In a previous video, I replaced the blower motor on a Lexus RX 350. Today, I'm going to replace the cabin air filter. Let's get to work. I like to replace the cabin air filter in here anytime I do a blower motor. In order to do it on this vehicle, we got to make sure we're on the recirculation mode, not on the fresh air mode. So we're good to go here. Now we can shut everything off. Alright, with the glove box open, in order to get that filter out, we got to get this little partition out first. I think we should just be able to lift it up and I think pull it out from over here. So that's it. So yeah, just kind of up and out that way. Now for this back here, we should be able to just press on this, press it up a little bit and then pull it out and then this way. So yeah, it's just kind of keyed in at the bottom and then over there on the side. So now that's out of our way. And our cabin air filter should be back behind here. We should be able to squeeze this tab and squeeze this tab, pull this cover off, and there it is right there. Try not to get this turned around. I don't think you can put it in backwards, but just make a note where the arrow points up. And if we look in there at the air filter, the old one, you can see it says airflow with arrows down, so we need to put our new one in the same direction because the airflow is going down towards the blower motor. And we should just be able to pull it out, just like that. And this one's about ready. Hard to tell on camera, but it's pretty dirty. And we're going to replace it with a Denso air filter. There's the part number for this one. Alright, we'll just slide our new one in place. Make sure our arrows are pointed in the correct direction. There we go. And we'll put our cover on, making sure up is pointed up. Alright, we'll slide this piece back in. Just make sure it's secure in place. And pop this back into place. Alright, that's it. That's how we do the cabin air filter on these. Alright, how about a little bonus tip for those of you who stuck around to the end. Sometimes when you're dealing with cabin air filters like this, now this is another one, it's not the same one that I installed on this vehicle, but sometimes when you're trying to slide them in, when the manufacturer cuts this piece, this like harder side right here, sometimes it's a little too long. Now this one you can see it's cut very good. It's cut right up against the filter there on all four sides. So this one actually looks pretty good, but every once in a while you'll come across ones where they cut that a little bit too long, and when you try to slide it in, it won't slide in nicely. And so what I do in those cases, I just either take some scissors, or if the material's a little too tough, you can take some side cutters, and I just trim it back so it looks closer to this. And typically you can do that, you know, on all four sides, and then the air filter slides in nice. So hopefully this little bonus tip helped you out. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Well, that's it for this one, and as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.